And I have the most amazing adventures with people in cabs and when I travel, because I'll talk to them directly right away and they'll tell me the wildest stories and show me the craziest things because I'm actually interested in what they have to say.
Oh, nice.
If you can get people talking, they're so damn interesting you can hardly stand it. You know, because they have these idiosyncratic experiences that are only theirs, right? They're only theirs personally. No one else could tell the story, and that's the kind of stories that you want to hear. And when they tell you those stories, you learn something you didn't know. And so what that means is that you can treat the landscape of strangers as an endless vista of places to learn things you didn't know.
Hey everyone, Nick here, hope you guys are doing well, and today let's talk about meeting new people. Something that I noticed in college is our general reluctance to do so, and I feel like it's a tendency that follows us later into life. As human beings, we settle quickly into our circles and routines. We pick groups, make friends, and don't deviate much from them. And I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. After all, having a tight-knit group that you can trust and rely on is hugely important. But it should not diminish or impact your ability to walk into a room full of strangers and make friends. After all, I will be the first one to tell you how important an inner circle is to me. I've made several videos about my friends, but if my time in college has taught me anything, it is the tremendous value of going out, meeting new people, and learning new things. And today, I wanted to share why. With every interaction that we have with people, there is always a takeaway that we can pull. Sometimes I feel like we get too caught up in our own little worlds, and it's important to get out there and hear different perspectives and viewpoints about the things around us. Regardless of whether or not you agree with that person, hearing the way people think, even if it's different from you, is a very important skill and habit to form. Meeting new people is also a great way to strengthen your current relationships because it can point out certain behavioral things that you need to work on, or it's a great reminder to be reading and learning and catching up on new stuff. Most importantly, it's amazing the number of quality relationships that can be formed simply by sparking a conversation, and you should always keep yourself open to these opportunities. Speaking from personal experience, meeting new people is also a great way of getting out of a professional or mental rut. Sometimes you may be feeling stuck in a routine or cycle or activity and you want to get out, but you need some sort of change to come and push you along or induce a new routine in your life. And why not in the form of an exciting new friendship that can teach you a tremendous amount?
If your life is insufficient and you're suffering more than you want to and everything isn't what it should be, then you need to look where you haven't looked for what you don't have. And then you can look outside, beyond you, and then you can make friends with what you don't understand.
At some point in our lives, we will all feel stuck, and there is no better cure than to go out, meet someone new, and have them genuinely change the way you see the world. More importantly, on the flip side, sometimes we think our personal and professional lives are going really well. They appear good to us. And when you meet new people, you can come alive with more creative ideas to help you become an even better person. Successful people always have great resources in life that they can use to help those around them. And for you, having a strong network of those people is hugely important if you aspire for success as well. Because when you need something, there are few things better than having a trusted network of people to rely on. The person sitting next to you or across the room might be the resource that you need right now. He or she might be able to provide the guidance or resources for you to take your life and career to the next level. And you should treat every single person you meet as an opportunity to do just that. Because when you may find yourself not prioritizing your time very well or making a few mistakes, there is nothing better than a successful friend to help you out. You never know who knows who or who does what until you get face to face and actually have a conversation. The people that you meet every day can genuinely teach you something. They can give you a new angle on a topic that you haven't considered. They can offer you guidance and resources to help you improve your own life. And on the flip side, you can genuinely make someone else's life better as well by offering them your help and your guidance and your advice on how to do things the right way. To me, there is something truly remarkable about admitting that other people can provide something that you may not be able to for yourself, whether that comes in the form of knowledge, influence, guidance, or resources. And there's no better way of embracing that feeling than going out, meeting new people, and learning new things. With that, I will leave you guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Nikhil. I make videos like this all the time. If you liked what you watched, let me know down below with a comment or like, or maybe even a subscription to the channel. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, where I am also very active. But as always, and most importantly, I will see you guys in the next one.